We're going to use the Forbes Magazine here. I'm going to write something down. Just a little guess. This is what I think he's going to do. This is the word. Oh, wait, no. I'm going to change that. Okay. I'm not going to show anybody what this is, but we're going to keep it right here. Now, imagine that is a bullseye. Imagine that's a target, and you were to hit a bullseye on the one word, just one word. What word would you say that you're most on target with?
Focused.
If you had to choose a different word, something like maybe above it, kind of.
While?
Well, I mean, you say the most focus. The focus. That's the main word. That's the closest word, or
Yes.
the bullseye. Hold on to that for me. But I mean, while is kind of close, though. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.